We're going to be doing Maintop today. Let's double click the icon. So we're going to open up our Maintop for software. Now this Maintop for our Peregrine printer, both the two and the forehead. Once you got it open, we'll do it the basic way, which is just hit File, Printer Setup. You're going to hit Install, Custom. From here, you're going to pick your print driver, which for the Peregrine printers is usually always the HYA W4AC file. Once you got that, click Open. I always like to set this as our default printer. Now you can also print port. You're going to want to set the file, your resolution, and your print media. You want to keep them both at 4-pass 720 by 1200. White ink setting, make sure it says spot color and only has a single channel like out there. You can adjust the black up to 100%. Then hit OK to save it. There we go. Just set it as the default printer there. And we'll hit OK again. Now we're going to go File, Print. Make sure that our mirror checkbox has been checked. Hit OK, and you're now done, and you'll be ready to start printing. We're going to be doing Maintop today. Let's double click the icon. So we're going to open up our